Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to view your saved Google or Gmail account password in iPhone. So if you have ever saved your Google or your Gmail account password in your iPhone, here's how you can easily find your passwords. Go to your iPhone settings app and here scroll down and open passwords. Verify your Face ID or your passcode. Once you successfully verified, here scroll down and you will find here Google account. So as I said before, if you saved your Google or Gmail account password ever, then here you will find all of your saved Google account passwords. Now go ahead and open any Gmail or Google account, and here you will see your Google account username and password. So this is how we can view our saved Google or Gmail account passwords in iPhone. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.